Hi, I'm Jake Craig with BraunAbility. BraunAbility has a proven track record of producing economical and dependable commercial vehicles designed to keep you up and running day after day, year after year. Now available, the BraunAbility Simple Stow commercial rear entry built on the new Chrysler Voyager is a passenger-friendly mobility solution for many commercial transportation providers. The Chrysler Voyager commercial rear entry ADA with Simple Stow is available on model year 2020 and newer Chrysler Voyager chassis. This conversion is ADA, FMVSS, and CMVSS compliant. It meets and exceeds Altoona testing requirements and is CARB compliant as well. It features a 56-inch rear door opening, a lowered floor section aft of the second row seats, a 34-inch wide manual ramp with 1,000-pound capacity, second row 3-passenger OEM bench remount seats, ADA commercial flooring, QRT Max slide and click wheelchair securement tie-downs, a transmission interlock, ADA lighting, emergency exit release for rear hatch, and a backup alarm. Second row seating provides room for 3 passengers. Optional aftermarket benches are available. The optional third row folding 2-passenger seat stows out of the way during wheelchair transport. Simple Stow ramp allows easy access to luggage and cargo when the ramp is not being used for wheelchair transport. The independent tailgate must be manually opened and closed by an attendant before ramp operation. After the hatch is open, first pull the tailgate stow latch release lever, and carefully deploy and stow the spring-assisted tailgate. 3 oval-shaped handhold slots are provided, 1 on each side of the ramp and 1 in the center of the ramp platform. Deploy the ramp fully to load a wheelchair user. Lift and fold the ramp to the vertical position. Be sure the ramp engages the rubber retention knobs fully. Push the hinged bifold ramp flap onto the ramp stow studs to secure the ramp flap. Ensure the ramp is fully stowed and latched before closing the tailgate. After the tailgate is securely latched, close the hatch. After the hatch is open, first pull the tailgate stow latch release lever, and carefully deploy and stow the spring-assisted tailgate. The ramp is stowed vertically when a wheelchair passenger is being transported. Be certain there is adequate clearance outside the vehicle before deploying the ramp. Keep clear of the area in which the ramp operates. Lift the ramp so it is parallel to the vehicle floor before manually stowing. Push the ramp straight into the vehicle to avoid binding the ramp. Ensure the ramp is fully stowed before closing the tailgate. After the tailgate is securely latched, close the hatch. This conversion is equipped with the stow and go middle row bench. After putting the headrest down, pull the strap at the base of the seat and fold the seat back down. The optional third row folding 2-passenger seat stows out of the way during wheelchair transport. For more information, contact your commercial BraunAbility dealer today.